PhiMarDan Farms and Foods. We bring the best to you. Poultry, fish, crops and more. Quality in all we do. A brand you can trust, strong and true. From the farm to every home we reach you. PhiMarDan Farms Foods, growing every day. Quality from farm to flavor, leading the way. Healthy chickens raised with pride. Broiler meat products by your side. Smoked catfish, smoked pan latu. Cassava, pupuru made for you. From farm harvest to market day, we keep delivering all the way. Growing stronger day by day, serving families every day. When you think of quality, think PhiMarDan naturally. From harvest fields to family meals, our commitment is always real. Fresh and trusted, clean and true. Everything is made for you. From our farms to your table today, PhiMarDan leads the way. PhiMarDan Farms and Foods. We bring the best to you. Poultry, fish, crops and more.